Hi, actually, so they have foreign students. They have completed chip level repairing course and mobile repairing and iPhone repairing course. So we have to take some feedback from them. How is the course and how they got the explanations. Okay. So he's Mr. Abdullah and he's Mr. Ali and he's Bilal. Okay. So we'll take some feedback from them. How is the classes and how is our explanation. Okay. So Abdullah, how about your classes?
Actually, they were the best that I've ever taken in Hyderabad. Honestly, when I came here in Hyderabad, I've been looking for this chip level and mobile repairing institute for almost 3 months. So I've been moving from institute to another institute, like different institutes.
Mm-hmm.
And I've never got enough explanation or enough experienced teachers till I came here to ECS, and gladly I met Mahesh sir in here, and honestly I got what I've been looking for, the best chip level, advanced chip level, the best advanced chip level explanations and all theories and everything practical. And I was very well satisfied within the entire course, and thanks to Mahesh sir, he explained everything well and in details and everything in practical, in theory, in schematic diagram, all over the course.
Okay. How many courses you joined here?
Full course in chip level, mobile repairing, Android and iPhone.
Okay.
The entire
So how was your experience?
the best I could say.
Okay. So will you refer yours to friends also?
Definitely.
Okay.
Whoever-
Actually, starting this Abdullah he joined, then he referred his friend, then they also joined for this institute because we are giving 100% quality. You got the quality?
100%, definitely.
100%. You are satisfied.
Yes, very well satisfied.
Okay. What about practical? You got the practicals?
Actually, practical was the best because the entire day you have free time, you can do all practical. Also, whenever you need help, teachers are here to help you and guide you. And also the schematic diagrams, most importantly, and theories.
So here we have multiple faculties. So almost we have four faculties, and lab assistants are there. So they are giving real-time practicals, and we are giving schematic diagrams, schematic reading, and we are giving working phone, working devices for the repairing. Then just now they completed this course, and this is the feedback from them. Okay. So thank you for your course, and so now you got the certificate. Okay. Best of luck for your future. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir, for all the kindness and for all the help.
Okay.